Hello everyone, we have started Qbasic in the last class. Today I am going to discuss few very important sums from your Qbasic. So one by one I will be showing you, and these are very important from your exam point of view. So the first question is, write a program in Qbasic to enter your name and marks obtained in 5 subjects: English, Maths, Science, Hindi, Computer, and display your name, total marks and average marks obtained. Then I'll take input. So input, enter your name. I will take it in the variable, say $. So how you take? You have to use dollar along with your variable name. Then I'll take the marks, enter marks in Maths. I'll take the entry in say M, then input, enter marks in English, say I am taking it in E, enter marks in Hindi, in H, input, enter marks in Computer. Suppose I am taking it entry in C, and input, in Science I am taking entry in S. Now I have to find the sum. So let S equals, sum equals, we will be add all the M plus E plus H plus C plus S. Then let AVG, average, is equal to your SUM sum by 5. Now I'll print it, print name is, and where your name is, in the variable $. Then I'll print total, that is where in the variable SUM sum I'll print average, in the variable AVG, and we will end it. Now we will run it. See, enter your name, suppose Harry, enter marks in Maths 90, enter marks in English 70, suppose, enter marks in Hindi, suppose 80, enter marks in Computer, say 85, enter marks in Science, suppose 95. So see, printing name is Harry, total is 420 and average is 84. Clear? Now the next question is, write a program in Qbasic to display all even numbers from 2 to 20 using For-Next. So we will do it in the computer. So we will begin with CLS, then for I equals to 2 to 20, then we will use step 2, then print I, next I, and your end. Okay. So we will run it. See, this is from 2 to 20, all numbers, even numbers from 2 to 20. Okay. Now the third one is, write a program in Qbasic to display all odd numbers from 11 to n using For-Next. Okay. So we will work it out. So we will begin CLS, then we will use input statement, enter the value of n. For I equals, you have to start from 11 to n, and step 2, we will increase by 2 so that we will get all the odd numbers. So print I and next I, and so we will run it. So enter the value of n, that means from 11 to you have to start. So from 11 to n I am giving 20. So see, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay. The next question is very important question. Write a program in Qbasic to display the table of 5 by using do-while loop. So we will print table. So we will start I equals 1, do while I is less than equal to 10, print. Now you have to print the table of 5, so you have to write 5 into I, the value of I will be from 1, 2, 3 like that, and here you have to increase it, and then loop, and then n. Okay. So we have started I equals 1, so do while I will continue till 10, equal to 10, less than equal to 10. So first print 5 into I, so 5 into 1, it will print 5. Then here I is equal to I plus 1, you are increasing. So next time it will be 5 into 2, 10. Similarly, it will 5 into 3, 15. So continue till 10. Okay. So run it and see the result. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 45 and 50. In this way, you can print the table of any number. Okay. The next question is again an important one. Write a program in Qbasic to display the first 10 terms of the series 1, 4, 9, 16 by using do-while loop. So observe the series, these are all 1 to the power square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So we will work out this one in the computer. So we will start CLS. So again we will initialize I by 1, and then do while. So we will continue I is less than equal to 10. So what we will print? Print I, then your to the power 2, then I equals I plus 1. You have to increase it, and then loop and end. Clear? So we have initialized I with 1, and then do while. What is the condition? I will continue till less than equal to 10. So print I to the power 2. So first I is 1. So 1 square 1 it will prove a print. Then I equal to I plus 1. Then the next time it will be 2. So 2 square it will print 4. 3 square it will print 9. 4 square it will print 16. Similarly, it will continue till 10. Okay. So see the result. See 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So this is the required series. Okay. The last question, write a program in Qbasic to find the sum of any 10 numbers. Any 10 numbers you have to find the sum. So okay. So we will begin CLS. Then for I equals 1 to 10, then we will take the input, enter a number, and where we are taking the number in the variable n, then s equals s plus n, then your next I, and we will print the sum of 10 numbers is equal to, and where is the sum? It is in S. So then your end. So we have taken, you have to take 10 numbers entry. So your loop will be from I 1 to 10. So for the first time it will ask a number to enter a number. A user is entering a number in the variable n, and it is added in the variable s. So s plus n. Then again it is loop is incremented by your 1. So in the next time again second time you have to enter a number. Again it will be its addition will be stored in the variable s. So similarly it will continue till 10, and at the end of the loop, that means once your loop is complete, so we are printing the sum of 10 numbers. So we will check it out. So we will run it, enter a number, suppose 6, enter a number, suppose 8, enter a number, suppose 4, enter a number 2. So like this you have to keep on entering 10 numbers. So suppose 45, then 67, then 78. See, the sum of 10 numbers is 2 to 7. Okay, clear? This much for today. Hope you have understood. And if you have missed out my earlier video, I will put that in the end screen. You can see from there also. Keep watching my channel AlphaBasics. Thank you.